Hi, I'm with Builder Service Company, and today I want to answer a common question from Washington State homeowners. What is asbestos siding? Asbestos siding is a type of exterior cladding made by adding asbestos fibers to cement, and it was a popular building material for homes built from the 1940s all the way to the late 1970s. Homeowners liked it back then because it resisted fire, rot, and pests. The problem is, asbestos is now known to be extremely dangerous to your health. Those tiny asbestos fibers can easily break loose if the siding is damaged or cut. Breathing in asbestos fibers increases the risk of serious lung diseases. That's why it's never safe for homeowners to try to repair, cut, or remove this type of siding on their own. If your house was built before 1980 and has rigid, somewhat brittle siding shingles, it could be asbestos. The safest way to tell is to call in a professional for an inspection and testing. If you're thinking about a home improvement project and suspect you have asbestos siding, let the professionals handle it. At Builder Service Company, we specialize in safe, reliable siding replacement. We work with certified removal teams to address the hazardous material and then install beautiful, modern siding that protects your home and your health. If you have questions or want to know more about asbestos siding and your options, call us today or visit our website. We're here to make your home safer, more valuable, and ready for the future.